How to download Reddit videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can download Reddit videos. In order to download Reddit videos, first of all, update the application. After that, log into your Reddit account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. Now over here, select the particular video that you wish to download. I'm gonna go and download this particular video. Click on the three dot icon located right on top. So click on the share button located right over here, and you can see there is an option as download. Click on the allow button. Generally, this kind of feature is not available for all of these videos. Only if the owner has enabled the download feature, then you'll be able to download it. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also download it through a third-party application. For that, you need to click on the share button. Now you'll need to copy the link. After that, you need to open up a web browser, and then on the web address bar, type in Reddit video downloader. After that, it's gonna take you to a multiple search result page. So over here, you need to go ahead and click on the link that is redditsave.com. So over here, you need to paste in the link that you've recently copied. Click on the download button. It's gonna take a while, but this particular video will be downloaded. So in this way, you can download a Reddit video on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.